how to use OBS Virtual Camera in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and set up your scene. You can add your webcam, screen capture, images, text, or any other sources you want to display during your meeting. Once your scene is ready, go to the Controls panel and click Start Virtual Camera. This will turn your OBS output into a virtual webcam that other applications can use. Now open Microsoft Teams and join a meeting or start a new one. Before joining the meeting, click the Camera Settings option. If you're already in a meeting, click the three dots and select Video Settings. You'll see two options, Video Effects and Settings. Click Settings, then under the Camera section, select OBS Virtual Camera from the list of available cameras. As soon as you select it, Microsoft Teams will display everything that's currently shown in OBS Studio. Keep in mind that OBS Virtual Camera only sends video, so make sure you've selected the correct microphone in Teams for your audio. Your microphone is selected separately in Teams, so make sure you've chosen the correct microphone in the audio settings. One of the biggest advantages of OBS is that you can switch between different scenes while you're in a meeting. Any changes you make in OBS will appear instantly in Microsoft Teams. If OBS Virtual Camera doesn't appear in the camera list, make sure the virtual camera is running in OBS. You can also try restarting Teams or reopening OBS Studio. And that's it. You can now use OBS Virtual Camera in Microsoft Teams to create more professional meetings, presentations, and online classes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.